When the years slip away and the stories unfold, the moments enjoyed are those that remain. Enjoy the good moments and the tales told. Only in these moments can happiness be gained. Throughout our lives, we reflect on our past. We remember the good and forget the bad. And in the end, when we realize all we had are the moments in time that always last. We're going to take the dinghy out for a short little ride. It's been a while since we've been in it. Just want to make sure the motor and everything's running. The gas is still good, and I'm going to flush it real good with some fresh water. We're going down Mill Creek. Just take Miss Annemarie out for a little spin. Then we'll clean her up and flush the motor. Everywhere. What's it supposed to be? It's supposed to be unlimited. But everybody has 6 knots. And we're going 5.2. Guess I can go faster. I need to get up on plane.
Can I do some of the scenery now?
Yeah. We later find out that the 6-knot speed limit only applied to boats over 17 feet. Miss Annemarie is just over 11 feet, so we could have gone any speed we wanted, which we did in certain sections. Mill Creek is quite beautiful in spring. Let's change. Cruise Along Boats was based in Solomon's Island, Maryland, and made wooden boats going back as far as the 1950s. They were quite luxurious for their time, but sadly went out of business in 1973 because at the time everybody wanted fiberglass boats. This could be the 33-foot El Dorado model, but I'm not sure. Those were classic. Build them out of wood with fiberglass.
Maybe a storm?
No, I remember reading it was taking in water, but nobody wanted to rescue it.
But it has a 20-25 sticker.
Yeah. The factory was located at the end of Rousby Hall Road. It's a shame to witness such classic history simply fade away. Today, we're going to replace this faucet. It keeps coming loose. You can see it shaking here back and forth. I put this little aerator on, but the Admiral is tired of it. I'm tired of her complaining to me about it. So we bought this new faucet, and this was not our idea. This also came from the 1260, the number one 1260, hull number 1, Rakusu, which is now SV Goose, and Kelsey and Tim from Salty Sunrise. So we're going to replace that faucet with this. Should be a 10-minute job, right?
I hope.
Right? First thing we're going to do is get rid of all the water. I turn the water off. So drip, 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 drip. It's going to drip on the bottom anyway when I take it out. That much is guaranteed. Okay. Okay, had to take these off. Well, dear, we're committed now. Not happening today because these coupling fittings, which fit in here, do not fit on this. So I gotta put everything back the way it was. 10 minutes, right? I bought these whale fittings. This is a WX1514B part. They have this 1/2 inch piece in there. I just put some plumber's tape in there. And then just got a stainless steel adapter. Tighten that down. And that should fit in there just like that. Of course, the pipe would just slip in. So I'll just remove the other one, install this one, and hopefully that will work for the new faucet. Okay, I took these off. I had to get these new ones because this size does not work, and I couldn't get an adapter. So I don't know what these are, but this should work. We shall see. So out with the old. And in with the new. This is how the underside must look, right there. So I got the water coming around. I got the pipes coming around here. These are the whale fittings. What we'll do is we'll wait a couple days of normal use and then check for leaks again. I might have to tighten these up, I don't know. But I don't see any leaks at the moment. You want to demonstrate the usage?
Hot water,
Okay.
and then you can control how much comes through. Don't want to use a liquid.
We got 2 buttons, steady stream and a shower. The project took us 2.5 days because we didn't have the right parts. And then what?
I don't know, about an hour right now?
Maybe 2 hours to get to here. Nothing's easy. Take a boat project times 2 days and then add half a day and you might be in the ballpark.
You can control the big stuff, like fits under it nicely. I don't have it on full force.
Yeah,
That was
that's
really
nice.
nice.
Because you don't have to splatter.
Yeah, it controls it nicely. Oh, it must have a magnet or something.
Yeah. Magnetic lock. We were getting condensation on this pipe, and it was getting water droplets, and it was dripping down enough to get everything wet here. And what was happening was the wind is blowing through that through hull fitting, and it's a cold wind coming up through this pipe, creating condensation. So what we had to do to stop that from happening is put these plugs in here, and that prevented the wind from flowing through the pipes, and that eliminated the condensation.
Leave a comment, subscribe, bye.